Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you'll learn how to manage point of sale POS in ERPNext. We'll start by navigating to the open point of sale. In the awesome bar, search for Open Point of Sale and search by customer name, phone, or email to select the customer. Next, choose the item group, search for mobile phone and click on it. The selected mobile phone will be displayed. Add it to the cart and you'll see the mobile phone listed in the item cart. Click on Additional Discount to apply a discount, enter the percentage, and review the updated item cart details, including the grand total. When ready, click Checkout. You can edit the cart if needed by selecting the Edit Cart option. Proceed to Checkout, where you'll find payment method details and an option to add an advanced amount. Review the grand total, the paid amount, and the remaining balance. Once all details are verified, click Complete Order. You will then see all the transaction details in the point of sale.